the world, France. And finally, man of the world, Ecuador. Driven men, and we now narrowed it to final five. All five of them have shown that they are capable of becoming a symbol of masculinity with responsibility. But there will only be one man of the world. The distinguished judges have spoken. The world has been waiting for this. Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the fourth runner-up.
To present the award for fourth runner-up, we have Pep's Board and Treasurer, Mr. James Roland Salim. The fourth runner-up goes to Man of the World, Ecuador!
Congratulations, Ecuador, our fourth runner-up. Now, we are going to announce Man of the World, third runner-up.
To present the award for the third runner-up, we shall call in the PEP's Director for Multimedia, Ms. Marian Gala.
The third runner-up for the 6th annual Man of the World is Man of the World, Puerto Rico!
All right, so the second runner-up belongs to Man of the World, France!
Congratulations, France. Only two men remain. Man of the World, Venezuela, and Man of the World, Philippines. May we invite our two Last contestants to please come forward. Both of you have worked so hard for this. One of you is about to become our new man of the world. For any reason, the winner cannot fulfill his duties, the first runner-up will take over. Good luck to both of you. I will be announcing first the Man of the World 2024, meaning the last remaining country is our first runner-up. Again,
Yes, once again, you'll be announcing the Man of the World. After that will be our first runner-up.
we'll be announcing first the winner. The new Man of the World is... Man of the World, Venezuela! And the first runner-up is Philippines!
To crown the new Man of the World, we have PEP's Director for Licensing, Mr. Aski Pascual, with PEP's President Carlo Morris Gala, and the CEO of Queen's Wellness, Ms. Mary May Suliano, together with the Man of the World 2022, Aditya Kuranha. The winner of the sixth Man of the World will also become the Ambassador of Queen's Wellness Spa.
Ladies and gentlemen, your new Man of the World is Venezuela! You may now take your first victory walk as the new Man of the World. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a pleasure hosting for you